Coquette has gained a lot of attention, I want to say, over the last 2 years. One of the main reasons is because the trend this year is about hyperfemininity, and Coquette does embody that soft and girly look, such as bows, lace, knits, and more. Coquette has changed a bit this year, again because of the existing trends today. Coquette before used to incorporate a wide range of a soft, warm palette. Now it seems if majority of the outfit is not pink, it's not Coquette. There is also an increase of ditzy floral. Every outfit I've seen has some type of floral in it. I've seen this ditzy floral shift created from influencers that are doing brand marketing. However, I do want to note, be careful of becoming obsessive with prints because they do go through trend cycles a lot faster and harder to revive in my opinion, such as stripes, zebra print, and cheetah print. But if this is something you've loved for a while, then go for it. Another change in Coquette is incorporating yoga wear. Today you might hear Pink Pilates Princess. Pink Pilates Princess is just a workout sister of Coquette. It makes sense that this has gained popularity because last year we saw ballet dancer being translated into everyday wear. Coquette takes a lot of influences from ballet fashion, and it's not uncommon to see ballerinas wearing yoga wear outside of the dance studio, which means finding gray, pink, white, and black yoga wear for the gym is very easy. I see people bringing leg warmers back to the gym, which again, something ballerinas have been doing and never stopped, and add some bows to your hair, and boom, you are a Coquette gym girly. When I think of Coquette, I think of soft silhouettes. This can be the wrap tops, or a wrap skirt, or a flowy dress, or puffy soft sleeves, or even a pleated skirt, and a fur jacket. Things that kind of fall and drape you, but they don't really structure you. I do want to note that you do not have to wear pink from head to toe to be emulating coquetteness, and who knows, maybe I'll make a video on how to do that. Another thing is, when I think of Coquette, I think of what possibly inspired Coquette. Ballet dancewear, Rococo fashion, a subcategory from Gyaru fashion called Himekachi, and I guess also preppy fashion too. For the sake of this video and for the theme, this is a color palette that I will be working with, but like I said before, Coquette does have way more colors outside of this. Since it's cold where I am, a chunky knit turtleneck will be your best friend. A pleated skirt is seen in all the Coquette girlies' closets, and of course black because we gotta keep it neutral to match with most things. I also want to bring in some lacy undershirts or spaghetti strap shirts, plain white and floral. These will help with layering under shirts you may already have to add more dimension to your outfit, or you can wear it on your own if it just so happens to be warm where you are. I added 2 sweaters, cream and pink, to help add variety to the outfits that you will make. Of course, a wrap top, simple straight leg jeans. To add in some comfort and a bit more versatility, I'm giving the yoga pants a go. A floral long sleeve top, and a white turtleneck. If you don't have one already, please do get one. It's very versatile. You can wear it on its own or you can layer it. Okay, now it's time to show you the many styles I managed to create with the key pieces. First, we're going to start off with my favorite combo, which is the chunky knit sweater and the tennis skirt. I also added the tights because it is cold where I am. And I added the famous pink puffer bag. It's so pink, it's so out there, I love it. I brought in this cream wool coat. It's not harsh and structured like a double-breasted coat, but it does have that collar, and the way that it's shaped kind of makes me look like a doll. But wait, it's way too cold for a skirt. Well, how about some jeans? Literally all I did was just switch out the bottoms. I added this pink cardigan, just like another layering piece. As you can see, I love my layers. Here's the pink cardigan again, but this time with the undershirt. I managed to dress it up with a pearl necklace. And to give it some variety, here is the wrap top and the long sleeve shirt. Have you noticed I've been using the same bag? It's because this video, once again, is about key pieces only. Building your wardrobe is supposed to take time, so you know what you're actually going to use. Here is the white turtleneck for the days when that chunky knit turtleneck will be way too hot for you. I absolutely love throwing my cardigans over my shoulders like this. It just does something to the outfit. It's like it elevates it, and on top of that, you have a cardigan with you at all times for when it gets chilly. I brought in my favorite cream cardigan because it adds color variety, and also I really like the high neck of the cardigan. It kind of tapers in the open chest area. If it makes sense, it gives shape to the outfit without giving me strong structure. For the Coquette athleisure, you got your yoga pants, the wrap top, and also the undershirt with the floral print to add some more dimension and to also give a little bit of coverage if you want. I also added the cardigan for when it gets chilly after your workout session. And it doesn't stop there because I also paired the pants with the long sleeve top too. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed my video and that it has provided you with some inspo. You can obviously create way more combos with the pieces I provided, but this should give you a good head start. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you next time.